Hey guys, welcome back to L&D Home and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be tackling some organization. I'm about to show you the area we're working in. We have worked in this area before when it was an absolute disaster and got it up to speed. I will link that video in the cards later on and in the description box down below. But we're going to be tackling my craft closet again because it's really turned into more of a cleaning closet, but I don't have it. You'll see. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. A little bit of organization, a little bit of cleaning in there, rearranging, trying to make things just a little bit more functional, as I kind of have switched that craft closet in a previous video, which I think was like a year and a half ago, maybe, can't remember, but I'm switching it more into a cleaning closet with a few crafty things in there. I don't craft as much as I used to. Let's go ahead and look at what we are working with. So if you don't know, this is the craft closet. If you're new here, I know we've got quite a few new subscribers recently. So again, I will have that video linked below where I originally tackled this hot mess in a spring cleaning video a while ago. But this is my craft closet. And it's not working for my cleaning supplies anymore. Here's my very sad bag. My husband, David, likes to take pictures. That's my work bag. I'm a teacher. He likes to take pictures of my bag. Sometimes like that zipper is open, so the mouth, he likes to do that and put like little feet on it and be like, your bag's really sad this morning. It is hilarious. If I can find a picture like I've saved or whatever, I will pop it up on screen here. Absolutely hilarious. But this is the closet we're tackling, and it's kind of hard to film in this closet because there's like two sliders and you can't have the whole thing open. And I have yet to figure out how to take these off the track. I do need to also see if I can fix the track. Let me see if I can show you. I think it just needs like a screw there or something. Like it has a screw over there. And I did paint this black. I have a video where I did that as well. But as you can see, it's like scraping a lot and a lot on the bottom. And the one in my room that I painted like a while ago off camera just one day is not doing that. But that one is sliding really nicely. This one is not. So I might tackle that as well. But here's what we're dealing with. So here's this side. And this is like, it used to be all craft. Now it's basically this. And then there's some stuff up top. Obviously my sewing machine and things I never use, but I need to. And then I've kind of turned this part into cleaning because it was spewing over from the other side. So I need to figure something out here. I don't know. I'm trying to kind of move some of this crafty stuff up a little bit higher if I can. This shelf is not like world's sturdiest shelf. I mean, it'll hold, but I don't know how much weight. So I don't know that I can put like that up there. I might have to try and put that up there if I can fit it and downsize or something. Oops, sorry, my finger. Not sure. So let's show you the other side. And this is where like, you really gotta, hey, you really gotta push hard on those doors. So let's show you the other side. This door slides much better. So here is the other side, which is my cleaning side. And I just need more room. I've gotten a lot of like cleaning products that I absolutely like love, like the Tineco. Thumbs up. Like if I could do 2 thumbs up and hold the camera at the same time, I would love that. But I also have over here, not the tripod, but the carpet shampooer that needs to go in here. It was living in our master closet, which is where my husband has all of his clothes, and we don't use it upstairs as much as we used to. We use it down here more, and it was just taking up space. So I need to fit that in here. And I know you're thinking, where is it going? I don't know yet. Haven't decided. But this is kind of what I'm looking at. And then I've gotten rid of some stuff, so I have some space cleared. So we're just going to figure this out. I don't know. So I wanted to get started just by basically cleaning out one side, and I decided to start with the craft side, since that's the side I was going to be trying to move all on top of the shelves and kind of really trying to downsize or rearrange. And you're going to see me fiddle with this quite a lot once I get that 3-cube organizer up on the shelf, which so far is holding okay for now. But I am going to fiddle with it quite a bit because I was trying to fit everything in there, and I tell you, it was a struggle bus. I got rid of a few things, but not many. And I love the way it turned out, but it definitely took me a while. So I'm going to pop on some music and let you watch me kind of figure this situation out. And also, if you see me, I'm looking over a lot. It is because I am watching the 3-episode documentary, The Program. It was intense and very interesting, and I was getting really wrapped up as I was moving along. Please try to ignore my ring light and my camera tripod. It's going to get worse later, and it's like right in the middle of the shot. But like I said, in kind of the intro and like the what's going on in today's video part, it is really hard to film this space because you only see that tiny little sliver. So I was doing my best to show you as much as I possibly could. So at this point, I'm realizing, oh my goodness, I don't think all of this is going to fit up here. And I'm trying to kind of consolidate things into bins together while still keeping organized and just kind of going through that whole process in my mind. You'll see I stand back for a second and I'm like feeling a little bit overwhelmed at times, trying to figure out what I should do. And just trying to figure things out. So I was trying to fit everything up top there. And like I said, I did have to get rid of a few things and kind of move some things around. And some things will also be going down into my craft room, which I will show you a little bit later in the video. But if you see me scratching my head and taking a pause, it's because I was really trying to figure out this Tetris situation. Having these moments while you're organizing is totally normal. If you've ever tried to organize, you already know that, but don't feel bad about it. Sometimes I'm like, I had a game plan going into this. Why is this so difficult? And I can tend to be like, yeah, I thought this was going to be easier. Why am I struggling so much? And maybe kind of beat myself up a little bit. But that is just kind of the way of organizing, is you really have to get in there and kind of touch every item and move things around to figure out what is going to work. So this is where I'm at so far. I'm a little worried about the weight on this shelf, but we're going to go with it. And we're just going to hope for the best. It's really hard to see in here. We need some kind of lighting, but that's a story for another day. Kind of like something we did in the pantry with like a remote light. But honestly, I'm not like looking in here a lot. I mean, I'm usually grabbing my cleaning products and one of the doors is open. So we'll see if I want to add any kind of light, maybe even like just string light right there or something. But I got most of the craft stuff up there with the exception of a few things. So down at the bottom, that's more like office related stuff, like my laminator for school, lamination paper, construction paper, stuff like that. So I'm going to see if I can do something with that and get it in here somewhere, but that's kind of full. So we don't know. I also have, please ignore my tripod. I also have all of this like crafty stuff, which doesn't really have a lot in it anymore. So I could transfer some of this stuff over there, but again, we'll see. I also have my sewing machine still and this, which if I end up, let me pan back over. If I end up keeping that in there, I can put those on top, no problem. But I'm worried about keeping that in there because I got another organizer that's bigger than this, taller for some of my cleaning products, but I still need to fit the Tineco back there and the carpet shampooer. And I would like to put our big vacuum up here too. so we could get it out of the mudroom, because I'm doing a mudroom kind of makeover situation also, but we'll see. So this might have to come out. So I don't know, but progress so far. Most of the stuff is up there. And in actuality, I could probably take some of that stuff down into my craft room, because like I'm really not using it, to be honest. So if I can't fit those last few items, like my turntable, I could take some of this stuff downstairs and put the turntable like in the middle there, because I actually use the stuff that's like in there. So this is what we have so far. Funny thing about this organizer I just spent that time putting together, I don't actually use it in this space. So spoiler alert, I thought it was going to go in here, but it didn't quite fit. I was originally going to take that 6-cube organizer out, but decided to keep it in there because I just had so many different like cleaning bins and stuff. So I put that organizer together for no reason, but don't worry, it's not going to go to waste. I'm not going to return it because I've had it for a while, sitting and waiting for me, and I can definitely utilize it in a different space. So stay tuned to see what room I end up utilizing that in later down the line, because I'm definitely going to be using it. But I didn't end up using it for this space like I thought, because I took this shoe rack. You're going to see me put this shoe rack on top of here. And I am securing it on with just some like sticky like pads. They're not pads. It's like the little rectangular sticky things you get from Dollar Tree to make sure that it doesn't fall over. And that actually worked really well in this space. So I had all of that like vertical space on the left-hand side to put the carpet shampooer, and I'm going to be able to fit our large vacuum in there as well. I didn't put it in there in this video because I'm going to be doing the mudroom video in a little bit here. So I'll be just taking it out of there when I get to the mudroom, but I'm definitely going to have room for it to fit. And that was one thing I really wanted to fit in here, was the shampooer and the vacuum. So I was able to accomplish that again after some kind of moving things around and adjusting things. I was able to get everything in here that I wanted to have in this cleaning closet with a, minor in crafting.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth a try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance, Again, I apologize for the bright ring light in these shots, but
just was kind of the way things worked out. So here I'm just kind of finishing everything up. And I also took the mop, the bucket for the mop, and I hung it on the little hook that was like kind of already on the shelf support. So that actually worked out really well because I was stressing. I was like, I'm not going to have room for the mop. Oh goodness. I'm going to have to redo this whole thing. And it ended up working out perfectly to have that little hook already on there. So if you're looking for like a shelving system and you happen to see a support that actually has like a hook on it, go ahead and just get that one because it might help you out. These are the things that I'm just getting rid of. And yes, my bag, it's still very, very sad. Every time I look at this book bag now, I can't unsee it. And here are the things that I'm going to be taking down and putting into my craft room that I just really don't need upstairs or in a different area of the home. And I'm about to show you the final reveal of how everything turned out. I do eventually want to completely like paint this space. Like I said, put some lighting up above or something, but today was just not the day for that. That will be a summer project. So yes, I'll have to take everything back out to paint the space, but it will be worth it because I'll know where everything goes back again. But I am definitely happy with the results. And I definitely think this is going to function much better for me being more of a cleaning closet, but I still have access to like my screwdrivers and my foam brushes and paint brushes and things that I might need for touch-ups or craft projects if I decide to do them, like wire cutters and things still at my fingertips, but definitely going to make it easier for me to clean. That is for sure. So if you are thinking about tackling a space in your home today and you are stressed about it and you want to turn it into something that functions a lot better for you, this is your cue to go ahead and get that started so that you can love your home even more. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful or at least entertaining. Make sure you check out the video and the playlist on the screen. And as always, smash that subscribe button so you can become part of our YouTube family. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.